Scene script. Have you ever wondered how the United Arab Emirates, home to 88.52% of expats, foreigners, and migrants, manages its water resources? Picture this, a country that ranks 10th worldwide for the risk posed by water scarcity. A nation where groundwater is depleting at an alarming rate, with 72% drawn out annually for agricultural irrigation. It's a sobering reality. The UAE is among 17 countries experiencing severe water stress according to UNICEF. But what if there was an innovative solution to this problem? Enter Oasis Aqua Balls, or OAB, a revolutionary product designed to combat water scarcity. These innovative spheres are formed at a temperature of 1,000 degrees Celsius, using only natural minerals like phyllite, kaolin, zeolite, feldspar, diatom, and spleen charcoal. The result? A product with an impressive absorption rate of 82%. The OAB holds water within its structure, releasing it only when plants create osmotic pressure at their roots. This means plants are watered less frequently, saving between 60 to 80% of water typically used in irrigation. But that's not all. OAB also provides space for natural bacteria to thrive, leading to improved soil quality. Plus, the OAB can neutralize pH levels, enhancing the overall quality of the soil. This ingenious product is exclusively supplied by Oasis Kraft Packaging Industry LLC, a UAE-based firm set up by two enthusiastic Indians popularly known as the Baig brothers. This innovative solution is a real boon for the UAE and other Middle Eastern countries. Picture your gardens, your agricultural projects flourishing with less water, thriving in improved soil quality. Imagine cutting down on irrigation-related expenses. All of this is possible with Oasis Aqua Balls. It's not just about saving water, it's about fostering healthier environments and promoting sustainable practices. For more information about Oasis Aqua Balls and how you can contribute to water conservation, reach out to us at info@oasiscraft.com.